How to add language on your Windows. What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add language on your Windows device. So if you want to change your language to something else, you will have to add another language. So let's see how you can do that. In order to add a new language, you first have to go to settings on your device. Once you open up your settings, here on the left side of your screen you will see time and language. Click on it and then click on language and region. And here you will find all of your available languages, but if you want to add something else, click on add a language, and here are all of your available options. So let's say if I want to add a Dutch language, I'm just going to click right here and select the Dutch from the Netherlands. Click on next, and on the language pack I'm just going to click on install. So as you can see, it is being installed right here, and all of these as well. So that's how you basically add a language pack on your Windows. If you found this video helpful, hit the like, share and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.